Well, such a lovely day. We are here in Hidden Valley community. Hey Marina, what you doing? Let's go and show them the next project.
I'm just building
Are you
a
in?
house.
Like I've told you, don't waste time.
What? Dude,
All the time, man. All the time.
New construction. Let's go show them.
Okay, let's go show the place. Sorry about the voice quality, you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go in. So this project, Marina, do you want to tell them what's happening?
Sure. So
Here.
Okay.
Look.
Okay. All right.
Tell them what's happening.
So this house has unfortunately been set on fire, and we're going to completely demolish it, and we're going to make a 3-story house. Look up above. Yep, that's right. That's what it's gonna look like, and it's gonna be amazing. Now, Hafil, do you want to explain kind of what we're gonna do, or do you want to show them around how it looks right now?
Sure. So I can briefly tell you about what the situation was here for the property. I mean, in Calgary, or mostly in Canada, houses, as you guys know, is built off wood, and there's a high chance property can get on fire. So this particular one had a large smoke damage, not really like a fire itself. But what we can do is, for you guys, if you're really interested in knowing what's really happening on the behind, we can actually go in and see what it looks like right now, and then I can also let you know what we're doing here. Okay, now let's go inside. Marina, do you want to lead the party?
Let's go through the door instead of the garage door. Let's go.
Okay, let's go to the garage door.
It's a little bit complicated for me, Hassel.
Men would always be men, you guys.
Holy.
So this has been, I'm not sure what the word is called, but basically what they do after smoke is they make sure the property is safe, so to speak. Yeah, exactly. So right now they've done a full coat of primer. All the walls have been taken out. I mean, all the drywalls have been taken out. All the insulation has been taken out, and it's just full primer throughout the house. There were two options for the owner. Either they can claim the insurance and completely sort of remodel the house to exactly what it was, or they can completely take it down with the insurance fund and also build a brand new. So in this particular case, what we are doing is, since we have nice views of the valley from Hidden Valley here, we are going to be building like a brand new 3-story home right on this lot. Is there anything else to add to it, Marina?
No, I think that pretty much sums it up. So what's great though about this is that originally it was a 2-story house, and now the customers will have a 3-story house, right? So more room.
A little bit of blessing in disguise, you guys. But
Absolutely.
Again, if you guys want to know more about any of these projects, or if you have any projects that you actually wanted to do and like build brand new or custom, you know where to find us. All right, that's it. Peace out, you guys.